Here are a few of my favorite lesser-known Excel shortcuts. If you want to add up data very quickly, just highlight the data and one additional cell, either at the bottom or to the right, and hit Alt equals. It will put the sum formula in that empty cell. If you want to time or date stamp something, you can use these shortcuts. Control-Shift-: will insert the current time, and Control-Semicolon will insert the current date. These are not formulas and will not change. To select an entire column, hit Control-Space. To select an entire row, use Shift-Space. To hide a column, hit Control-0. And to hide a row, you'll use Control-9. This used to always drive me crazy, but if you want to add another line into one individual cell, just hit Alt-Enter, and that will start a new line in that same cell. If you want to look at all your beautiful formulas on your sheet, just hit Control-, and all of them will be revealed, and hit Control-, again, and they will turn back to the ground.